My name is Mehmet.
My name is Mustafa. This is Aykut.
My name is Soner.
I'm Richard Metcalf.
Hey, this is Seamus.
We are here at Mobile Growth Summit 19.
We are real-time fraud detection and prevention company. We are keeping your user acquisition budget in a safe.
We are building a fraud prevention solution for all mobile marketers out there.
Unfortunately, not all installs that the advertisers receive are legitimate. In fact, they're fraudulent. We have fraud consultants that will work with you, work with the advertisers to ensure that they are getting the most out of our platform.
I want to raise awareness in our community about this effort. That is the main objective of my presentation today.
We are really excited about Mehmet abi's talk. We had a surprise demo within presentation.
I haven't done any presentation after university actually, so I'm kind of nervous and excited at the same time. So, good morning everyone. My name is Mehmet Bilgin and today's presentation is going to be about your marketing data. Is our data lying to us? And spoiler alert, yes, it's definitely lying. Ad fraud is real and we should all accept it. And we shouldn't waste any time. We should act now. The sooner you catch the fraud, the better. Because if you do this, analysis or whatever you do at the end of the month, it's already too late. Damage is already done.
That was really interesting to hear.
I think it was great to show the impact of the product. Opened my eyes to see how dangerous it can be.
Mehmet's speech was great. He made a click spamming, click injection operation in a real time.
What I took away from it, at least, is that we need to have awareness. Sure, I think everyone's a bit aware of ad fraud, but what to do about it is a whole entirely other topic.
In a way, if it looks too good to be true, it always is. Ad fraud is top of the agenda.
So fun to meet new amazing people in here. It is so excited to build new partnerships and build new business collaboration with them.
The event was great in terms of community, the people, network opportunities. We enjoyed. Also, the party was really cool.